Hello everybody, welcome back to another video in Chrissy's Corner. Today we will be doing the Aztec clay mask that everybody is well aware of. I've done them on my face. I've never done it in my hair. And as you can see, my hair needs some love because baby, up underneath this scar, not cute. So it's really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to take the clay right here and we're going to take plastic. That's like the number one rule in all of this. Your silverware, your ware has to be plastic, or if it's metal or not glass, like if it's metal, baby, it's a wrap. Don't even think about it. Like, it will affect the properties in here and it won't even work the way you want it to. So I'm gonna get some of this. As you can see, I haven't used a lot. I'm gonna dump some, but you know what, I got a lot of hair and my little brother wants me to do his hair too, so we're gonna dump some of that in here. And then we're gonna take the apple cider vinegar. My mom cherishes this so much, y'all. Like, she's like, you better make sure you bring this downstairs when you're done. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, and I'm not taking measurements. You know, God got me, I think. Girl, this sound like some soda, child. Y'all probably can't hear it, but we gonna spin it around. And it's not the consistency I wanted, so we're gonna add some more of both because we need more, because girl, I got a lot of hair. Right, now that I've got it to my most liked consistency, y'all see how it's not chunky like blue cheese and it's giving like whipped? The mask, you feel me? Make sure it is whipped, baby, and ready to be put in your hair. So next time y'all see me, my hair will be wet, and do not wash your hair because this is like shampoo. It's like a detox for your hair. So this ain't like your regular mask. Like, you don't need to put no shampoo in your hair because it's gonna be too stripping on your hair. So make sure you just go in. If you can detangle outside the shower, inside the shower. I'd rather do it in the shower because there's more water on my hair. And make sure your hair is saturated. That's probably another reason why you really need to be in the shower. It don't need to be damp, it needs to be saturated, okay, with water. So when I get back, my hair will be saturated. So I'm back, and this is just detangled hair. Can't even lie to y'all. Y'all see the back? It looks like I need moisture. I need something. Like, it looks very thirsty, very lackluster, as my friends would say. This is very lackluster. But let's get into it, shall we? So let's just quickly throw this up. All right. Let's get into it. And make sure it gets on your roots because you want those moisturized. I got most of my head, and I'm about to do this part right here. I got some of the roots, but in all of my edges. But yeah, let's get into it. The back of it. Girl, when I say stiff, you stay where? Stiff where? Stiff there, baby. This is stiff. But I'm about to put on my timer for, my hair's really been through it. Like, so I'm gonna give it a timer for probably 30 minutes. she needs some love and healing. And I'm just trying to go back over my ends so they could really feel the love of this mask, like how this side is really feeling the love. And you know, you could put some on your face if you want to, but other than that, I will see y'all in 30 minutes. Hello everyone, so this is my hair after the clay mask has been washed out, and I don't think it gets better than this. Like, my curls look hydrated, my edges are smooth, my hair is soft. Like, it really did love in my hair. It definitely did a number in my hair. Absolutely. I definitely recommend this mask. It was just, to wash out definitely took a minute. You were going to be sitting there and washing it out for real. I can't even lie to y'all. I did have to hit a little bit of my hair with some shampoo just to really make, because I don't have a mirror in my shower, so I really couldn't see if all the clay was out. So if I felt like there was a little bit of clay in there, I would just hit like little spots like right here, like my roots type. I would like hit it with a little bit of shampoo and it would come out. But other than that, y'all, this is great. Like, definitely 10 out of 10. My hair is thanking me. My hair hasn't looked this good in a minute, like since my last video. But other than that, y'all, this is the video. You know, it was real quick, real simple. And if you liking what you see, as always, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video, comment if you need to, and you know, we just do what it do. And I think I'm about to do a chunky twist out on this, which I don't think I'm gonna film because y'all know what a twist out is. Unless y'all want me to film it. If y'all comment below and want to see the chunky twist out, let me know. But other than that, if there's nothing else that needs to be discussed, I will see y'all in the next Chrissy's Corner.